Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. We're out here this morning. We wanted to go back and do a look at where we treated our ground for Cogon grass. And if you'll look down here, you can see I started right here where this thing's hanging on the fence at here. I started right here. I went all the way down through to where the sand ends at down yonder. I put 50 pounds of salt, more on my side than I did the other side because I didn't want it spreading into the pasture. And it looks like that for the most part, the salt has killed all the Cogon grass except for a few sprouts that's coming back up. We got a few and I'm gonna come back and retreat them. But pretty much looks like it killed everything. We've got a couple of sprouts, one right here and one right here, that's still trying to come through. I may go back and up the salt again, put a little bit more on the fence here. Now it has destroyed my fence. My fence is all rusted up, but you know what? I'd rather have a rusted up piece of fence to replace than I had Cogon grass to deal with. So as you can see, it killed everything. There's no grass here, nothing. Now on the other side of the fence, there is some Cogon trying to come back up over here sporadically because I did not put as much salt over there as I did on my side. But now that I know it looks like it might start working, I'm going to go back and finish putting more salt. But the salt killed everything else, I'll say that. There is nothing left over there. The sad part about this is they won't ever be anything grow here again because of the salt. But I'm okay with that as long as I kill this Cogon grass. So guys, that's where we're at with our Cogon control. We have not used any Roundup yet. We're trying to keep from doing that by using all natural stuff. And hopefully, before this is over with, we're going to have this thing eradicated here and taken care of. So thank you from Deep South Homestead.